There are a lot of ways to apply eyeliner. Today I'm going to show you the my favorite basic winged liner style. So before I start, please subscribe this channel and see that bell icon, click that's free of cost. इससे क्या होगा कि आपको पता चल जाएगा जब भी मैं नया वीडियोस पोस्ट करूँगी. Knowing your eye shape is an important factor which we generally tend to ignore. For example, I have deep set eyes. It means my eyes are a little deep into the socket, due to which my brow bone is casting a kind of shadow onto my eyelid. I have not applied any eyeshadow. This is just the shadow of my brow bone, which is casting a little browny orangish kind of shade. In my upcoming videos, I'll talk about eye shapes, how to figure them, and what eye makeup should you wear. Moving on to the second part, I'm taking the Maybelline gel liner and using an applicator. Let's get started. I have not used any concealer or eyeshadow as I have mentioned earlier. So taking a little bit of product, first figure out the shape you want to create. Since I'm creating a winged look, I'm making a rough outline. This will be my wing size. If it becomes a little difficult to draw, try to stretch the eyelids softly and then try. Keep your drawing hand stable. Try to draw the line close to your lash line. If you cannot make it at one go, you can always make some dots or strokes and then afterwards you can join the dots. The basic outline is ready, and now thicken the line as per your choice. Gradually smoothen the edges with some of the product. If you make any mistake, take a Q-tip, apply some Vaseline or your favorite cleansing lotion and correct it. You can always smoothen the edges with some product afterwards. This is the perfect liner style for my deep set kind of eyes. If you want to add some color, add highlighter onto the brow bone, and you can use some shimmery light colored shadow on the eyelid. So I'm gonna finish my look with the orange lipstick and dab dab dab. So that's my final look. Yes, perfectly said. Eyes are the passage to your soul. So go take your favorite liner and start practicing.